Guys, today we'll be discussing about users for workflows. On the platform, down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for users for users for workflows. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts, or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will enable automatic future installation from here as well, if you want it. For now, we will be just choosing for location 1. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Now we are moving forward towards agency level, and from there we will be just choosing the subaccount on which we have installed users for workflows. As you can see, it's installed here as well. Choose for location. Here we are on our subaccount now, and we have to create an automation to check on that the actions are working correctly or not through the workflow. Choose for the automations from here and create a workflow, start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder, and let's just create a new action and check on what actions are provided by users for workflows. Find for users for workflows. Here it is. You can just create your user, get your user, update and delete your user. Let's just create a user. Enter the names there. Let's say the name is Mubassar Tanveer, and the email will be don't forget the rules of the password, that the first digit will be the bigger one or the capital one. Use numbers and anything special as well. Enter the number and the role you want it as a user or admin. You can just go with the admin, and the type as well, agency or sub account. Save this action, and now we'll be saving the whole and testing our workflows. To set an example, you can choose any of your contact and run this test. Head towards the execution logs now, and as you can see, the action is executed now successfully. It's that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.